Welcome to Rene's Spiritual Ways. In this meditation, we will be doing the Golden Light Cleanse. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. With each inhalation, the golden light starts to move up through your body. With each exhalation, any tension or stress, you're going to release it, let it go, and relax. See the golden light start to fill your toes and your feet. Feel any tension and stress leaving your toes and your feet. Let it go and relax. See the golden light start to fill your calves and your shins. Feel any tension and stress leaving your calves and your shins as the golden light fills that space. Release it, let it go, and relax. See the golden light moving through your kneecaps. Feel any tension and stress leaving your kneecaps. Release it, let it go, and relax. See the golden light start to fill your thighs and your hamstrings. Feel any tension and stress leaving your thighs and your hamstrings. Let it go, release it, and relax. See the golden light moving up through your bottom and your pelvis. Feel any tension and stress leaving your bottom and your pelvis. Release it, let it go, and relax. See the golden light moving up into your lower back and the front of your stomach. Feel any tension or stress in your lower back or your stomach. Release it, let it go, and relax. See the golden light moving up to your mid-back and moving across the front of your lower rib cage. Feel any tension and stress leaving your mid-back and your lower rib cage and the golden light moving in. Release it, let it go, and relax. See the golden light moving up to your upper back and your upper chest. Feel any tension and stress leaving your upper back and your upper chest. Release it, let it go, and relax. See the golden light moving to your shoulders, down your upper arms, into your forearms, your wrists, your fingers. Feel any tension and stress leaving your shoulders, your upper arms, your forearms, your wrist, your hands, and your fingers. Let it go, release it, and relax. See the golden light moving up into your neck. Feel any tension and stress leaving your neck. Release it, let it go, and relax. See the golden light moving up into your face, your chin, your jaw, your mouth, your cheekbones, your eyes, your temples, your forehead. Feel any tension and stress leaving your chin, your jaw, your cheekbones, your eyes, your temples, your forehead. Release it, let it go, and relax. See the golden light moving up through the back of your head. Feel any tension or stress leaving the back of your head. Release it, let it go, and relax. Now the only spot left in your body with any tension or stress is the top of your head. See the golden light move there now and feel any tension or stress leaving the top of your head. Release it, let it go, and relax. Now your entire body is filled with golden light of cleansing and relaxation. Stay here a moment, feel the weightlessness of your body, and feel calm and relaxed. Slowly start to work your way back to the room. Start to feel the surface beneath you. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. Shake your head back and forth, up and down. Come back to now and open your eyes. Thank you very much for meditating with me today. Love and light from Rene's Spiritual Ways.